Wagwan ENT.
Times make me happy, times make me blue. Yes, I made it. I didn't believe the things that I've heard. No, but now I've seen it with my own eyes. I know actions speak louder. Cause really and truly, I don't wanna be lonely tonight. Never ever. We come participation too for your soul and mind. For the young and the old, for the boys and the girl, for them who love music to touch their soul. I'll tell you. Yeah. Say that lonely tonight. Even on star, I say that not to trend. Fool, I'll never ever be lonely tonight. Don't do that, I tell you. Cause it seems she didn't care about me anymore. I gave her all the love I had and she spent it. You know silent. So I packed my things and we shopping back and started to quit. No, I don't wanna be the little lonely tonight. Jaja knows that I don't wanna be the little lonely tonight. You know, sir. But I would rather to be lonely, to be living with a queen as my wife. Yes, I mean it. I don't wanna be lonely tonight. Yes, I mean it. I don't wanna be lonely tonight. But you know, I would rather to be lonely than to live with a kinoki as my wife. Yes, and I mean it. I feel like I would DJ all night. Now they knows that I would a DJ Papa Ruby all night. I mean it, but I'd rather to DJ Jump Ruby than to live the power side of my wife. Now they knows that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. Great is great, and great is never to be underrated. Jump Ruby, the high power of all the weight. Right? Me mama says hi. Don't wanna be lonely tonight. Now they knows that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. Give me star. See the natty and I don't wanna be lonely no other night. See the natty and I don't wanna be lonely no other night. Says, but I would rather to be lonely than to live with a queen that's my wife. Jaja knows that I am. Tell them, don't wanna be lonely tonight. Jah know that I mean it. The place called OCHO RIOS Secondary School, where a whole lot of children go to school, boys and girls. You know. See the natty eye, say that I don't wanna be lonely tonight. I meant it. Nobody's sick, sad. I'm bound to get mad. Go down on your knees and pray to the Almighty God. And when you do that, absolutely you just get glad. And then you forget about mad. Right? Believe me, a little thing called a poor millionaire. You ever hear that? A poor millionaire. Now we come combination to Evelyn Sterling, one target now. The sister called Evelyn Sterling, say they wanted by your bigger sisters. I would see the alligators, I would say. You got a penny in my pocket. Do it, Gregory. But to feel like a millionaire. Just now. I feel so fine. I think about it. My woman is near. A poor millionaire. Have you ever heard a thing like that? Yeah. Love is the answer and one could never conquer. So I love to see black people living on Icho RIOS. Don't bother with no violence, it got to be jolly. And I don't really mind if you burn in holy botany. If you have a daughter, second down, get married. Raise up your kid in a good man away. Don't be like John Tom, who is very rude, who tell his mother that he don't want to go to no school. Every day in his mind is a gun. By the time he reach 14, Babylon shoot him down. Mama bend her body and start to cry. His bigger brother I water run on top his mind. Don't be like Charlie, he's too rude. Who tell his mother that he don't want to go to school? Do it! If it's jumping, it's not my fault.
Cause I never ever give a man.
And to live an helping man and give a poor man an helping hand. Cause Rudy, I said, Rudy left on street again. I tell my mommy and I write my uncle Glenn that is a put burner bar around him house again. Cause bad boy left on street again. Reggae. Tell them, come me mama, quiet ass. Pull him up, flash it. Put them back street again. Oh Lord, them on street again, like a raging storm. And do remember, safe bad boy that road, eradication that road. So watch yourself and mind what you do. Aston Brown, want at the staff room. Aston Brown, right. Rudy, bad boys, they end up in a general penitentiary. Bad boys, not to jail, ballet. If you are bad, you will end up in a general penitentiary. Oh yeah, hey, bad boy, they on street again. Bad boy, they on street again. Them killer them a mother, even feed them best friend. So long as them know some blood money is running again. All they want to buy is only a big car. We drive from Kingston down to San Lamar. And when them go down there and start war, them start to war. Bad boy, they on street again. Bad boy, they on street again. But then we buck up in a eradication squad. Who bust like until you like them man, So what going to happen, seek the Almighty God. If they don't put like them God, me say them life I go down. Bad guys, they on street again. Oh Lord, them on street again, like a raging storm. Oh yeah, it seems like the prison never do him no harm. Before him come up the road and sit down and come, him go buy a gun and start to run the place warm. Eradication squad fire and lick off one eye mom. Hey, eradication squad never road again. Do it! Step on street again, like a raging storm. Rudy gone away again. Oh yeah. Rudy gone away until you, my friend. Watch me, I'm telling you. Bad boys on the street again. On the street again. On the street again. When we tell you man, them don't have no friend. Them kill any man. Since blood money start run again. Bad boy on the street again. Bad boy on the street again. Oh Lord. Oh. It seemed like the time of Christmas do him no harm. Him come back and run the place feel warm. They think him would have start and wait to give him mother and calm. And the man come tell me say them shot John Tom. Bad boys step on street again. Bad boys step on street again. OCHO RIOS town. Here come the man called Dennis Brown from Kingston town. Exclusive one sample for your soul and mind in a demo style. See it? Ram. Right? Now you come part 2 and play. Give me the man called Dennis Brown. Hear them style and all star. Brutal. The one your mother. Right? Alright. But we're going to rum it. Because the jump, we're going to jump it. Hey, come me say good no wheelchair and started to walk. Me sight a dumb man, him a reason and talk. Them cut the banana from out of the walk. Them chop down the tree and them take it up a stalk. Them peel it, put in a pot and make it wild so soft. Ram it up, ram. Send a teacher, jam, hear me. A day before they dance, they go out to the wall. I sit down here, he made them cut off. The knife where them use, judge I know it well sharp. Should I hear it a walk? Didn't sit up a cock, yeah. Tell them, and if you love it and you're happy, let me know. God, if you love it and you're happy, let me know. Yeah. God, if style, didn't sit up a cock. More style. Yeah, man. Yeah, different style. So this dancer, it must have the coxes. This your dancer, it must have the jammies. This your dancer, it must have the rams. Because the cripples come out of cheerses, and then the people them start to walk sis. We say them cut down the banana out the walkses, and then they cut down the tree and the stalkses, and then they peel it and put it in the patches, and they make it really wild so soft is. So this year dance it up a cock it up a coxes. This year dance it up a cock it up a. Hear me star. If you love it and you know it says something is. If you love it and you know it says something is. More style. Do it. We're going to rum, we're going to rum, another rum, we're going to rum, another rum, we're going to do it! Alright! Tell them, yeah. Who a play the W tonight? Tell me who a play the W so tonight? Me say Pacha, the Selector, Jack and Ruby Ranger. In case you never know, man and him a owner. Papa Brigadier super duper. Papa Brigadier super duper. But when me say, mommy ride at them solo, man me ride at them fast. That I man I tell you, I man are the boss. Cause when you really see me in a film me pink glass, I will leap a dirty nigga, I do them off a mask. We're going to ram it. We're going to jam it. We're going to cock it. But a day before they dance, they go out to the walk. I sit down, see it. They made them cut off. Knife where them use up. John know it well sharp. Should I hear it a walk? Tell them curly. You should I hear it a walk. They done sit up a cock. Tell them. Jacobi, I power, jam it. I can't pop and reggae, come pick it, It's Bobby Culture Company, I say tell them. We're going to rum it. Tell them the best part split shall we quest. You know. Now keep on listening till I tell you. There's a lot more detail like a bomb. Strong, strong, strong. Yeah. Trouble, they don't know that life is not easy. That's what the man called Dennis Brown come and try to teach people like you who are black, if you understand. It's a natural fact. Double trouble! In trouble. And remember, living ain't easy. Little thing called the world is in trouble. That's what the man called Dennis Brown said. A true liar. When I play this one, you really truly get to understand. I'm an international, all over the Caribbean. International, even in England. But yet the world in trouble. Says living ain't easy. The world down in trouble. You better believe me, because July and August pass by. Cha tell Papa Reggae what he must do when the world is in trouble. And living ain't easy. Give it no star. Jah shall cast away all evil spell. We caught on vehicle going down in hell. You get your troubles and I got mine. We come to help Jah fulfill prophecy this time when the world is in trouble. Check it out. When you listen to the brother man called Dennis Brown, oh, you come on this to make you jump around, don't be like no clown. When the cat goes up, all the cat goes down. OCHO RIOS when I'm a Brigadier. In my little village day by day. Oh Lord. Special request to all the people in from OCHO RIOS. The lovers of Jack Ruby, Powa. Everybody downstairs gonna all upstairs, see? Sure. Watch your man. Hey, tell them, Brigadier, come make we mash up the area. Brigadier, be nice up the area. But when we say, ain't no stopping Jack Ruby high power. That will be been playing in a Brahma style from I was 19 years old. Say that me say, ain't no stopping Fat John baby. Fat John money play rubber dub. Some of them shine like silver and gold. Tell them what me say, ain't no stopping Brigadier now. Ain't no stopping Brigadier now. Because my father is a farmer, every day he got flour. Him now left him pick up and him now left him sour. He plant Isla Low and he plant Pop Chow. And when he come a yard, he gone buy pick up out air. Him and me mama start row. Tell him, him and me mama start row. Air. But if you love it and you know it, say something. You love it and you know it, say forward. Right? If you don't love the sound, don't chant it. And if you don't love the sound, don't chant it. Me say the first one me chant, that's a Gemini. More style. Hey, tell them. I'm a different style. No, stand up and then Jack will be better. Jack will be playing in the mother. From 19 years old. Tell them, come and say, no, stand up better than father, and jot down better than stopping, Brigadier now. Anything no stopping, Brigadier now. Because my father is a farmer, every day in gone flower. Him not only him become and him not left him sour. He plant island and he plant pop shower. And when him come a young, he gon' play pick up out air. Him and me mama start row. Him and me mama start row. You don't start. And no, stand on up better than Brigadier riding from a dumb style and could have pato. You say, stand up and Jack will be better than Jack will be playing from a dumb style from I was 19 years old. Come and say, stand up and better than Papa Brigadier riding from a dumb style from I was 20 years old. Hey, tell him, ain't no stopping Ruby now. Ain't forward me operator. I was singing at the era, overnight at the era. The man called Icho can't play. You will love him more than your mommy and daddy. One star.
Greetings to your world. My man called Icho Candy. This one called Super Duper, you know. Super Duper, yo. Super Duper. Super Duper. Super Duper. Super. Super. Jack Ruby a super. Facha a super. Brigadier my super. We are super duper, super. Super. Bobby Culture's a super. Icho Candy a super. My Brigadier a super. We are the super duper, super. Chucky don't lucky, no. Chucky don't lucky. Chucky no lucky. No fire, no monkey. Super duper, yeah. Super duper. Super duper, we are super duper, super. Super.
Have you ever been in love with the #1 sound? Now you can combination style. This dedicated to all man from Music Avenue, especially one. Special request to the Jack Ruby Posse. Hey, special request to Jack Ruby Posse. Hey, special request to the OCHO Posse. Hey, special request to the Center Posse. Hey, special request to the Brigadier Cherry. Hey, also want them member to Madova. Hey, special request to the Jack Ruby. Hey, special request to the special request to the teachers too, special request to the home guard in the dance, special request to the police in the dance, special request to the soldier in the dance, special request to the Ruby Posse, special request to the Ruby Posse. Say 1, 2, 3, that's the Zim Zam Zim. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? Yes you. Then I must see Chongi. Special request to Jack Ruby Posse. Special request to Jack Ruby Posse. Zim Zam Zim. I'm Stagali. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? I mean me, yes you couldn't be then. Oh, it must be little boy where them call name Blue. Cause every day in war, say where them face just a screw, but him just a man in a wally baby. Hey, how we sexy, how we sexy, hey, how we sexy. Well, Irie, you should never do that. How big you don't do that, how big you don't say that. Can't remember, Bobby culture in the area. Bobby culture in the area. Where you sister? Rasta, Jano, oh. No, the place get nice. Jano, all up. This song was done to his job, along with Raja and culture. Hey, over we, yes, over we, hey, over we, yes, over we. It's all because I'm feeling sad and went away, leave me lonely. Do it! Hey, looking up down the coast of love. Then I'm on a fire, came from up above. She put love in my heart, even put sunshine in my eyes, even put sunshine in my eyes. I used to tell them, will I still play at Dennis Brown Showcase? Robert Man from Burrington, your sister wants to get now. Robert Martin from Brednotil, you want it? Do it! Team call, hold on to one together. Play by the music, the song like John Groove, the king, you know the crowd. Do it! Black is black and black is white, they don't want to fuss no fine. Down with Buffalo, just on the mind. And you know, you're on your way. Give me energy. All you get. And you know, my heart is together. But I'm supposed to this sound place, so but I've been away. The king of all the place. Jump through bit immortal. And now it's a bunch of kind of well-made. Well, push up and bring the low partial. Along with Brigadier, the general. And I'm about to come to the field marshal. From my culture to Angie, the admiral. Man called Scotchie colonel. Play by the most good, the most crucial sound. Hey, tell them what you got. Hold on to what you got. Look at this sound place, look at the feet away. Say we going on a college countries. We going on a college countries. Move to this sound place, man called Dennis Brown. I'm play by the A1 sound. Well, I'm in the culture on the microphone. Say me going on a college countries. Natty going on a college countries. Hey, call sister tell up we wear best dress. Hey, call sister tell up we wear best dress. How we going on a college countries? And Natty going on a college countries. Hey, say me now really go on a DJ contest. But anywhere we go, them say that me can't the best. And Natty going on a college countries. Hey, in the house of Congress. Natty I go smoke it in the house of cabinet. Hey, and when me DJ Ruby set a man me bust a liquor. of Senate. Natty go and go smoke it in the house of Senate. See what's a bum bum on the land. It's time Mr. Culture rock the microphone stand. I go and smoke it in a Buckingham. Hey, I go and go smoke it in a Buckingham. A lot of God, I go and go smoke it in a Birmingham. Hey, the natty going on a Cali contest. All about the natty say no Cali contest. Hey, I go smoke it in a East, me I go smoke it in a West. And I'm a go smoke it in the House of Congress. Natty going in a Cali contest. Hey, going in a Cali contest, man. Me I go smoke it in the House of Congress. Man, me I go smoke it in the House of Parliament. It's time Mr. Culture talk to me to police. I smoke me Cali and I smoke me Haitians. And when me come a dance, me not take the violence. Hey, them don't know I am your president. And nice we come for nice, so Mr. Resident. Hey, and natty going on a Cali contest. Hey, and natty going on a Cali contest. Right? Me say fi tell Sister to tell her fi wear a best dress. Hey, Scotchie rockin' one more to reach you.
Special request, I man play to every half man. Do it, y'all. Power the bang, power the bang, power the bang. Saturday I raise the Akima and Spark. Saturday I raise the Akima and Spark. Me check out a shop, he give me 2 arms. He give me goldfinch with the jacket T-Lynch. The jacket start glimpse, the jacket make a glint. The arms it go lose by a goddamn inch. And this a Horseman Jamboree. Say this a Horseman Jamboree. Starring Bobby Culture, Patcha and Scotchie. The people them say that we have no money. Oh, because me wake up this morning, me don't drink no tea. Me take a little trip and me go check all these. He give me Mr. D, also Selector D. The Jackie Shorty, give me the art per tree. Me put them together and me buy a Capri. The youth them a OCHO, they really grudge me. This a Horseman Jamboree. Say this a Horseman Jamboree. And when me say long time me no see such a dangerous thing. Say long time me no see such a dangerous thing. Me tell you horse racing I carry this thing. Me tell you horse racing I carry this thing. The first race me win, say this show was coming. When the odds when me get me say me feel well glad. While some down a Bellevue steering mad. But till about the sound, make them stand. It's a Horseman skanking. Power the bomber in a higher ranking. And when me say, if your skin get a cut, you must side blood. The rain go fall, you have to walk in the mud. If you want this a lyric ball forward, you want this a lyric ball forward. In a different style, the kind of wicked and wild. Well, he come in an official style. Do it, John. Think all the Horseman can. For me to special, be quick and play to all Horseman. But I'm a Scotchie rocking at the microphone stand. But so much charge about me, I want $1 million. And this a Horseman skanking. Starring, I see a high Scotchie ranking. Along with us, say the man Bobby Culture. Say Jaja no say no checking for no vulture. Man Brigadier Jerry in the era. So make me tell you in a secondary way song. Say Scotchie ranking, I go jump up Chicana. Well, he come a different style. They think on a foundation, the cat called the Dennis Brown, the talk of the town. Bobby Culture chip in here. Yeah, that happens to be the man called Scotchie ranking. Now he come the final Dennis Brown, playing by the mortal sound, and I'm Mr. Culture with the microphone. Anything which has the strictly roots in reality. Can't jump a bit. I'm a man who bring good to me. Man called Joe to Candy. Fight shall we quest for the man called Cowley. Man called Maxie. Man called Cowley and the Bible is Presley. And so the man called Sophie and the man called Rashi and the man called Yanni. I'm a sip away. Hey, said I'm a sip away. Do it, Jack. Way down to the foundation. In a wicked man who never standing on this.
big opening of a thing called Funtown. Music by the song called Upsetter. So make it little don't be late. Right? Hear them style out. Believe all the great, you could never underrate. And that I appreciate it, keep a smile on the face. Do it! Better down, better down, better down, better down. Stop your rolling wine. You get again versatile. Don't bother screw all up to see when you smile. Please don't waste nothing red high. Don't you know he's looking at child? Biddy ding, biddy bong dong ding, hey. Bong biddy bang dong, biddy bang dong, biddy bang bye. Better ding dong dong, hey. La 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 la. If this world were mine, I'd play rubber dub all the time. I'd play it in a OG style, play it in a Selector style. Wanna chill and beg you stop your running wild. You better come versatile. This a 1981 style. Baby girl, I wanna get 2 pints long, 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 but a little da da die. John Brigadier and the DJ. When Pacha keep the dumb them turn. So you gotta come on down and learn. If you don't do that, I said fire might burn. Don't you know that the tail will turn? Hey, la 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 long long. Better than a bit of a hey, better than a ding dong. Ribbit, bit of a hey, bit of a Mikey Burkan, Mr. Star, what a thing with a little dong dong day. Slang bong dong, biddle diddle die, ribbit. Slang dong dong da da dong dong die. If OCHO RIOS were mine, I'd play Jack Ruby all the time. I'd play him in a music avenue. I'd play him up in school too. Ding bong bong bong, biddle da. Swing biddle ding dong, better bong biddle hey. This one come for cure it in a style. The man come bring the microphone to a show every hour. Right? We got a man called Sammy Dread, murder style. Special request to the man called Curly, AK-47, right? Now wig the world and tell the people that the king and with the blues is coming your way, your way, your way, your way, your way, your way, your way. I hear me? Right? Do it! The one on the scandal, like the man you used to say. Great sounds called a scandal. Great sounds called a scandal. Great sound is weak without woman. Sonny saying, them DJ Ruby the high power. Right? And if you don't do that, the show me a stop shower. Bing bing bang bang bing bang bing bang bing bang bing bang to the mountains. Great sounds down the scandal. Dedicated to the man called Money. Right? I find M16. I'm Kingston here. Rasta no. Have anybody in the dance never see a M16? When that one fire that lit down concrete wall, well clean. You see the man we are fire in, sometime in a red or green. If you don't know what to do with that same gun, will turn around and wipe you off the scene. Great sounds down the scandal. You been listening to the king of rhythm and blues. The sound about the choose I tell you. Goodness gracious, until about it. Oh. Exclusive on the earth from a record machine. This one come to make it strange, you could not believe. M16. Wait, long, wait, hey, bang, 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 Bobby Concha and man called Brigadier and Fat Jaw, treat the all this way. Right? Alright, now we do one. Yeah, Bobby Culture now stop.
No way! Rasta no oh, Brigadier, you want some weird. I want the first so you stay. No way! Flying back the most, go to the most crucial sound. See me Rasta, Jano oh. I'm not gonna tell about no gun, I'm gonna tell about some bird. See it? Do it, Jack! This a birdie, this a birdman's style. This a birdie, this a birdman's style. Say if you don't yam the bird, don't shoot them. If you don't yam the birds, don't shoot them. Come on, me have a little bird by the name of Pigeon. Me have a hydrant by the name of Bongo John. And anytime we in any transaction, me just catch my pigeon. Me write a letter. Me stick it underneath to a him feather. And the pigeon know that come back in a hour. You say the pigeon know that come back in a hour. Copy me pigeon him different from the rest. Hey, the pigeon different from the rest, right? Me say in scratch and sness, use straw and make him nest. And pan for me house, stop the pigeon know the rest. Every morning in crow and push up him. Fly gonna east and him fly gonna west. If you don't yam the birds, don't shoot them. If you don't yam the birds, don't shoot them. Come on, me know a little bird by the name of Ocho. The Ocho fever drum crow. Ocho fever drum crow. I me say one thing, him don't have a bullet, you know. The guy woulda fly so high in the sky, and down in the water, the bird him woulda fly. And any fish him see him set them want it die. Him have one, and any bird him see him say them want it dead. Hey, tell them. Drop up the little bit Rasta, Jano, ooh. Hear me. And Sonny and Culture Bobby and Papa Briggy and Icho Candy. Mercy! Do it! Lee! Master want to know how to get, see? Do remember! Man like Pants and Sonny in the area. Angie, do it, Jack. You understand? ask me when me born, some me say I jubilee. She ask me when me live, me say I don't a OG. Me say the round a ruby. She ask me what me do, me say the I'm a MC. She ask me one that talk, me say no strictly not tea. She ask me who me bread, me say. She tell me say she live in Miami, and the first thing she bump to ride me. Me say the first thing me see was the low Bobby. Me see, I hope you keep in irie. The third thing me see, send a request to me. The fourth thing me see, a parcel coming quickly. And in that parcel is knits Gen Z. Say Clark's booty and a lots of jewelry. A lots of things that you know me fancy. I'm the crucial culture Bobby. I'm the crucial culture Bobby. Do it! Along with the man called Pants and Sonny. Say Papa Brigadier and Chocho Candy. Along with the sound like Jack Crew. The school at OCHO Secondary, we a mash up the vicinity. Underneath the roots and we culture style. Yeah, tell them. Do it! Right. Rubitin. Say Pants and Sonny and culture Bobby. Pants and Sonny and culture Bobby. Say Papa Brigadier and Chocho Candy. We mashing up the old vicinity. On the roots and feel with culture style. Culture style. Say special request to the man Curly, the man Maxi and the man called Chungy, the man called Polly and the Baby's Passy, the man called Rashi and Top Temple Passy. And all the Milford I'd see, all the grape and I'd see, all pineapple I'd see. It's coming from culture Poppy, Pants and Sonny and Papa Pretty, along with Chocho Candy at the Mike MC. Do it! Right. Do it, Jay.
They call me Tommy G.
What's here? Reggae. Watch out. Meanwhile,
they call me Tommy G. You hear that? La la la. I'm on the one to burst in a thing called curfew. To buck up in an eradication squad. They call me Tommy G. La la la. La la la. La la la. They call me Tommy G. Tommy Dreadlock says, I'm in a war. People go in a curfew, la la la. I'm in a war. Don't do that. People go in a roadblock, well, cause when Babylon duty down, they want. Chop the man, dead me no one. When they think me weak, them no know as strong as la la. Babylon want to put time man behind the bar. That's why I'm in no right. Tell them people come in a curve. I'm in no one. When some question man can't belong, and I Kiola and body culture. Right? When them get you with a stick of marijuana, them beat you with the bad stick and lock you down. And what it because I sit down and people go to a curve down. La la la. squad. They call me Tommy. Play by my song called Jack Ruby. I Powa. So I'm a do it no style.
They call me Tommy Jail.
I'm driving from Kingston. Yeah.
People go in a curfew, sir.
Like me man.
I mean no one. People go in a roadblock, sir.
You don't start. We're driving from Kingston. Coming to OCHO, like we will mad. On the highway, we sight a man in a red. Put out his hand and started to flag. Say nothing, as we jog down, what we understand. One big surprise, Lord Almighty help me. So we buck up in a eradication squad. Say we buck up, do it in a eradication squad. I said, every man have a M69 man. As him come out, you hear the car door slam. Some in a buckers, me say some in a tom. And anyway the man back you up, John know them no ram. Me no want. Fi buck up in a curfew, anana. Cause me no want. Don't do me that. Fi buck up eradication squad. Them in a car with tilted glass. Those I read no police, never more. When you know what Babylon M16 start to bomb, them shit evil dog who sleep in our walk, me no one. Go ahead. People come in a curfew song. La la la, me no one. Tell them a star. People come in a curfew song. Cause when you can live once in a US, nothing no sweet like fried fish and bread. And lay down in your bed comfortable like you're dead, but me no one. Fever up in a curfew stop. La la la, me no one. Well cool and easy in a curfew stop. One time we walking with a stick of gun. Back up in a soft fight to see. Said two with Remington, one with M16. The other one have a 4-5 in a aim and them say why. Hey, the Toyota cheap red man. Do it, but yeah, me never get no sentence. La la, me no want. People go in a curfew, me no want. We're back up in a curfew until you. Cause I'm willing to never compel you. Yes, yeah, Bobby culture. Rasta no, oh. Now I know how to come the radical.
They call me Tommy Jail. Me no one. No way. People go in a curfew, sir. No way. I me no one. In a roadblock,
It's the curly. Curly no one book up the eradication. Neither me. Me say me go watch the tea, them a lap up for me. The whole of them a chat about me town country. Show me live down a OG. Hey. Me say the bad boy come want me tip me jewelry. You a idiot boy, my name is Bobby. A pity you no know me DJ Jack Ruby. The sound originated from down a OG. Tell me no want. No way, people go for education, so tell them, say me no one. Hey, people go for education, so yeah, you rasta. Say on my way from down a Scotland, with the intention to reach a sentence. Me take a minivan from the tradition, on my way me book up education. Say some with M60, some with Remington, some with M1, some with pump action. Say come here Rasta boy, cause you favor gunman. Say no officer, I'm a musician. Say shut your fucking mouth before you feel the Remington. You chat a little longer, you go feel the M1. If you try to run, you have a pump Say Sister Angie and Pants and Sonny, the man called Touch Up Candy. And me say I know any DJ can chat it like them up before them maths and try pass them English and social studies. Them up is study for the history. Them up is study for Rasta no. Tell you me no once, long, 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 leading bang. Rasta long time you know hear Sonny you know. Michael Prophet, drop it, Sonny. Do it, child.
Right now, give thanks and praise with all Charlotte Blaze. Son called Jack Ruby, I pour come to mash up the place. In case you never know, we are the star of the show. The man called Brigadier and the man called Dancehall. Sure. Style. Think called a gunman.
Do it! I wake up in the morning, what do I see? Gunmen standing over me with their guns and their bayonets. Me cry, oh, oh, people are gonna feel it. Me shout, oh, oh, we all are reveal it. Boy, 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 boy. It was the savior of my life, really opened my eyes that I can see what is over me. It was the savior of my life, really opened my eyes and saved me. Ooh, from gunshot standing over me with their guns and their bayonets. Me cry, oh, oh, people are gonna feel it. Me shout, oh, oh, we all are reveal it. Boy,
I think Father Michael Prophet say,
boy, boy.
do it! Jack Crew with the sound of play. Touch about the man called Brigadier DJ. And the man called Sonny rocking with the six called Angie lead the way. Special offense for all Roachy eyes. Special offense for all the youth them from One Music Avenue. You take body and power sound today for sure.
What is over me? It was the savior of my life. Really opened my eyes and saved me. Oh Lord, from gunmen standing over me with their guns and their bayonets. Me cry, oh, oh, people are gonna feel it. Me shout, oh, oh, we all are reveal it. Boy, boy. Because the world is confused, they don't know what to do. Listen to me what I say to you. The people is abused, they don't know who to choose. Even if they listen to the headlines, it's gunman standing over me with their guns and their bayonets. Me cry, oh, oh, people are gonna feel it. Me shout, oh, oh, we all are reveal it. Boy, boy.
Spiritual request for all the youth in OG. Right now you're entertained by the king sound called Jack Ruby. Hey, stop. With it for secret side of your love to love your eye. They got to bow down on your knee and praise the Master God. Right about now you're entertained by the most champion sound in the whole wide world called Jack Ruby, I Powa. I the man called Sonny ranking got the control tower at the end where you are. Do it! The cat called Brigadier. The one called Bobby called Chad. Special request to the one for the I Powa. Don't forget man called Fat Jam to be a crucial selector.
In the morning, what do I see? Gunmen standing over.
Here. Tell them. Hey, promise to me is a youth, me no love give trouble. Say me is a youth, me no love give trouble. For when me come a dance, and me really can't bubble. For when me come a dance, and me really can't bubble. For this is a youth saying don't crave. The bun where me eat it happy have reason. The mango where me eat it near my number 11. The gun where me carry a little earth to heaven. That's a AK-47. Hey, for that a AK-47. How it bust? She boom, kaka, kain, kain, kind. Hey, for me say boom, kaka kind. Hey, for me say boom. Hey, for me say boom, kaka kind. Hey, for me say me is a youth, me no love give trouble. Between girls left, God know me love bubble. For this is a youth, him don't crave. Anyone me eat it up, me have reason. The mango when we eat is a number 11. Me DJ the up power pan high level. From me je boom, kaka kind. Right. And me je boom, kaka kind. A Brigadier Jerry, I go mash it up tonight. Shababi culture, him come to hold them tight. And I stand a ranking just to mash up the mic. Hey, jam me je boom, kaka kind. Here come, from me say gun it is a dangerous way. Me je boom, kaka kind. But when I ranking come, I have to mash up the mic. A Lord I say the wicked them me hold them tight. Hey, say that the wicked them me hold them tight. Start just rock, don't stop. Hey, say just rock, don't stop. Do it. Right about now, you entertain man of the sound. Here come the man called Brigadier, jump in and say, flash it start. You hear me? Forward me operator, we do it not style. See it? A thing called the gunmen. You know? Whoa, yeah. Ewo. You know, star? I wake up in the morning, what do I see? Gunmen standing over me with their guns. And they oh Lord, I got me, I gon' feel it. The little thing called the gunman, he come participation tree. Black people free. Alright. Let it go star.
Get a gun, hear me start. Come me say, down in Jamaica, the island top the sun. They plant sugar cane, then get to a gun. Then get to Remington and me say even Magnum. Then bring it in a Babylon for shoot for people down. When them a go tell for me God when he come. Burn them, we burn them. Come me say, down in Jamaica, we have banana. Them say me go up and get Bushmaster. They bring it from the island, who wipe out Safara. And when them a go tell me got Jaja. We burn them, we tell them. Hear me sound. After I wake up on the morning, what do I see? Gunmen standing over me with their ready to tell them. Gunman wanna get the gun from. From me say, Jamaica Island, the water of the sun. They plant sugar, give them on the heat, where they gone. They get the running down on me say, forward operator. I want to say, I will buy that in now. Let me dance. Pull it up, fat job. Pull it up. In Jamaica, on the island top the sun. And when they plant the sugar cane, and so they get where they gone. They get to Remington. We have a woman DJ like dance, so she want nice of something to do, man. Them. Hear me now. Let her go.
He's all the way from Mumbai, entertained by the song Scholar Jack Ruby, the high power. But I sister Angie show every out the hour. Flash it operator. This person called a gunman. Special request for all those who call it M16. See? Murder! The gun is a dangerous weapon. Hey, shall we say gun is a dangerous weapon? Shall we say master. Calling a big pastor magazine. The sister Pandita bring the M1. The sister called June just a bring the M2. Shit. The sister called Jean just a bring the M3. The sister called Rose just a bring the M4. But a man called Clive him just a bring the M5. But a man called Trix him just a bring the M6. But a man called Sonny just a bring the M7. A man called Wayne him just a bring the M8. Jammy say star, I bring me LSR. Star, I bring me LSR. What that? Me no fire one shot. What that? Me no fire one shot. Gun is a dangerous weapon. Me say the gun is a dangerous weapon. And me say operation, eradication. Team of operation, eradication. Me Selector College I prove the high power, but I sister Angie is all the way from my bed. The gun is a dangerous weapon. Gun is a dangerous weapon. Some say put away your M16. But I say the Babylon they found the scene. Some say put away your SLR. That say the soldier man in the right hand. Me say the gun is a dangerous weapon. Me say the gun is a dangerous weapon. Some say operation, eradication. They come in and the dance say me look fancy. Someone say me nicer than a Brigadier. Murder style. Me say the gun is a dangerous weapon. Me say the gun is a dangerous weapon. What that? Bad fire shot. What that? Bad fire shot. Watch out. Me say Babylon the boat. Watch out. Me say Babylon the boat. The gun is a dangerous weapon. Bang riding. The gun is a dangerous weapon. Me say operation. But live the life you love, man say love the life you live. Man say get around as a good sound live. Miss Colton College I prove the high power, but I sister Angie show up the eye of the hour.
Yeah. Wow. So right now, the principal of the school said, the man who walk on this place and come across this roof here, if them don't stop that, the dance stop. As if the man not clear the right which power play us now, we're not going to play no more. We don't like the behavior here. Too much crowd and too much excitement up here, so right? Up here so too hot right now. I want everyone cooperating because we come here to entertain the people, see? Anyone seen walk on the top of the roof, coming across, the dance going stop. Plus too much people up on the bandstand here right now, see? It's slightly too hot, so what? We don't cool off, man. We don't want no more crowd. We can't take that. We want nice, sir.
We do a nice style. Dedicated to the loving people, them, especially the daughter, them, in the dance. See? Most of the people them check to me and look in glass in a rasta. Give me no Jack Ruby. Them come, them stand up, them keep and pose. I stay for me and Mikey Merkin like a wall joke. Me say go and go dance. Rhythm track. But me no want to buy the cup, me say me hurt. But me no want to buy the cup, hey. Perspiration a running on my back. John wants to me slim, me no know when me go fat. The people in the dance, all of them do that. Them come up, they stand up, they keep up and pose. I stay for me and Mikey like a we a wall joke. Me say, go and go dance. Come me say, go and go dance. Bang the man, me hat. But me no want to buy the cup, me say me hurt. But me no want to buy the cup. Them come up, they stand up, they keep up and a wait. I stay upon me like a Selector portrait. Me say, go and go dance. Cannot go and go dance. But when me say, so that so that I get shot. So that I get shot. This thing take place in the military parade. Man fire SLR, man show and grenade. The way how him die, just I know it's a shame. A military soldier have to dig him one grave. The soldier they will do it, judge I know say them brave. So that I get shot. So that who you gonna start? Hey, if you love it and you know it, say forward. Get up style out. Hey, in a me yard one Thursday morning. In a me yard one Thursday morning. Mikey Merkan say Reggae, say John love what I watch. Mikey Merkan say Reggae, Jack Ruby out I watch. Richard the dance and them me box in a corner. Box in a corner with me hat palm me head. Me going to lick a chalice man, me take off the hat. Don't lick the chalice man, me put it on back. Don't stop me if you open me shirt. When down school me I go button it up back. Rain fall and it wet up my pants. When my pants dry me I go put it on back. Figure dance from the corner. No figure dance from the corner. But when me say, hey, special request to the Jackpot Posse, hey, special request to the Uptown Posses, hey, special request to the Downtown Posses, hey, Uptown, downtown, all around town. Black and white, me say purple and brown. She weigh 100 and me say 35 pound. And her complexion is kinda dark brown, hey, special request to the Ruby Posse. Special request to the music posse. You love it and you know it says some things is murder style. Give it a star. Forward operator.
Greetings to your world. From my man called Icho Candy. Greetings to the man called Brigadier at the control tower. The man called Bobby Culture. And the man called Sonny. From my man called Icho Candy. This one called Jumbo Plin Long. When the ticket is falling, a flying jumbo plane, all hitching a ride on a Kingston train. You know I've been to school, Lord, I'm such a fool. But it isn't my fault that I follow the road. I've now become a long way, change of base the day you ask me. But tell me, whoever the children play, wherever they play, whoever they play. But there's a taxes increase in every crop we meet. And we work in the days, Lord, and we sleep at night. And we live in the dark, and we think it is light. And we learn to fight one another, saying that we stand for peace. I've only come a long way, changing base the day you ask me. But tell me, whoever the children play, whoever they play, whoever they play. Me say if it don't be Papa Biggie, me say my shit.
What the man say? Where do they play? Give me a star. Where do they play? I said the tax increase and they will land degrees. Give me a star. And they're using my bone, you know, because they follow your rule. Seems that she come a long way, changing day to day. But tell me where Jack Ruby play? Where Jack Ruby play? Where Jack Ruby play? They say down in the OCHO Rios secondary, with the man Bobby Culture, the super duper name Papa Brigadier. Where did they play? Murder style. A lot of man called Fat John come for make them run wild. I pop up reggae in a different style with they play. Say that some may say every day. Me do they play. We down south with my sister used to play. Now we with this musical down only the week with our mate. Tell me we do they play.
One box of matches and a chalice and gritty, and I'm on the road and lights it. Tell them. On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me one color collie. And a partridge is in a pear tree. Do it then. Cause if you love it and it's terrible forward. If you love it and it's terrible forward. Because of that you live to discover. Do it there. Different style, Rasta no. Different style, scheme. Do it. How do she? How do she? How do she? She come in on me house, she see me TV, she see me nighty, she a beg me for eat. Every morning she come, she a beg me money. But greetings a come on to JBC. Say the picnic them a get technicolor TV. Me mama have a city and she buy a nighty. She gon' go watch some rough and ready. She gon' watch Jugget along with Archie. But culture Bobby at the mic MC. A DJ for the sound like Jack Ruby. How do she? Every night them come, them a see problem. It's only Judge I know how to solve them. Then think me free, but I brave me brave. Then think me free, but I brave me brave. Every day see me brethren, them a go down in the grave. Every day see me brethren, them a go down in the grave. What a close shame. Before me do that, me woulda live in a the cave. It's a young Mr. Culture on the mic, you don't know. A pity you don't know me, confess a rubbish a show. Say Tita Tone, a tea of them in a row. Say them she want what I mean, on him Joe. How do she? She come in on me house and she see me setty. She see me trophy, she a beg me for eat. But greetings a come on to JBC. The picnic them a get technical. A setty and she buy a nighty. She gon' watch some rough and ready. She gon' watch Jugget along with Archie. Some of them a come a dance, come and listen Rudy. Along with them man called Culture Bobby. Them man called Brigadier and Pants and Sonny. Along with the singer called OCHO Rios. Song long and Sister Angie. Song long and Sister Angie. Flash it y'all, OCHO Rios in a steel style. Drum up! Greetings to my little eye dreams and daughters when we get to, you know.
Little children are crying, the little children are dying, the little children are crying, the little children are dying. Starvation back here is so many lives, no more. Starvation back here is so many lives. The little children are crying for food, the children are dying for food. And the poor little mother ain't got nowhere to stay to lay the weary out. The people have need food, remnants and shelter, that's what we want. To give job people what they want. To give job people right near us. Give job people what they want. To give job people right near. Don't let them suffer down the inroad. That you are the Lord, and we all the same for you. Release the shackle from our heart and free us up, one and all. Release the shackle from our heart. Oh yeah, I tell you, the rich don't like the poor. The rich don't like the poor. Nothing but starvation and beating and gun bullets into our heart and toes to the ground under the barracks in our hole. Oh yeah, the rich don't like the poor. The rich don't like the poor. Stop this cruelty, I said.
We here come on thing called right now, you see, Montella Superstar. Right now we don't do anyone talking of God, no me appetite. Hey, tell them for Sicily say that you want this jockey, hey. Because the daughter them love this jockey. They want Brigadier and a culture baby. They want the little youth called Pants and Sonny. I chew them a hear me a DJ Ruby. And when them know them a pocket full of money, the girl just a pass and a tell me how they, hey. But Sicily say she want this jockey, hey. And Sicily say she want this jockey. She pass Icho me and I tell him how they. And one night in gone sleep with Brigadier. The other night she gone with a culture baby, hey. But Beverly said she want this jockey, hey. Because through this jockey, the girl them crazy. They love a poopa pants and a ranking Sonny. Me delicate this one for sister Angie. She's a little say Icho, mercy. But this a one it in a miserable styly. Because the daughter them love this jockey, hey. Because some say me fool, but me know me so man, me can't mend any broken heart, hey. Some me say one of a kind, Bobby blow their mind. I'm one of a kind, and Bobby blow their mind.
I make some set up there behind. I can feed them here, I can feed them there. I can feed them out of this atmosphere.
Do it! Hey, hey. Some me say some say me shot, and me little wingy. Me DJ for the high power Jack Ruby. The sound that originate from OCHO. The sound called up Chow. Start because the man fat Jack said him select for we. And this a little youth called ranking Sonny. And Welton Irene, now Brigadier Jerry. The man fat Jack, it's not Ilawi. Mercy Lord, me a go mash up the party. Tell them culture wabi.
Do it, Lord of mercy. I'm just getting this place to the feel away. So Rasta Brigadier, I will probably are going on. Those flash the style here, Rasta.
I want to dedicate to all the people I'm on a 10. Every youth man on a 10. See? I want to have a murderous style. Cha la 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 la. Ay la 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 la. La 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 la. Hey, la 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 la. Better better dong, better better. But bong dong, but bang bang, better bang. Tell them Tom was only 10 when his father died in prison. I was his uncle, his father, bigger brother, oh man. He said, promise me, son, you're not gonna do the things that I did down. Walk away from troubles if you can. It's down, mean you're weak. If you turn the other cheek, someday you're gonna grow to be a man. Oh, down in the ghetto. Cha la 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 la. Ay la 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 la. Da 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 da. Dong, bang bang dong, bang 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 bang. Tom was
bigger brother, oh man. He said, promise me, son, you're not gonna do the things your daddy done. Walk away from troubles if you can. Will you remember it down? Meet you weak if you turn the other cheek. Someday you're gonna grow to be a man. Tom, I'm a little girl cutie. Some boys would call her yellow. He rides on the back of a cow through the meadow. He rides with a Remington in his hand. Remember that the place in the ghetto, down in the ghetto. A early great December morning, another little December child was born in the ghetto, down in the ghetto. People can't you understand? The child need a helping hand, while you just simply shook your head and look in the other way. Down in the ghetto, down in the ghetto. Then one night of desperation, the young man breaks away, finds a gun, steal a car, try to run, but he won't get far. Hey, Lord, down in the ghetto, down in the ghetto. Tom was only 10 when his father died in prison. I was his uncle, his father, bigger brother, oh man. His daddy said, promise me, son, don't do the things your daddy done. Walk away from troubles if you can. Sit down, be the weak, if you turn the other cheek. Someday you have to fight to be a man. Oh, down in the ghetto, down in the ghetto. Well, this one dedicated to every youth to come at this school. See? All of the youth will come at this school, yeah? See? Hey. Also to all the teachers, especially the headmaster or the headmistress of this school, OCHO RIOS Secondary. Go on! Hey, you, did you hear that? Cool, cool, cool. Do it, John. Yes. Everyone wants to live on nation. That's right. No one wants to be a beggar. But if you try to make it in life, a dirty nigga wanna push you down. They wanna see you go under. Jaja blessed now. I beg you say the youth man, I beg you go on to school. And when your mom and daddy see you go to school, you skull and gonna pull. But when the days of school are over, being a blasting fool, everybody come right up on your back like donkey, horse or mule. You get an exercise book, a lead pencil, and a 12-inch rule. Go take your seat upon a bench, maybe a chair or a 4-foot stool. But you may tell me just a beg yourself to go on to school. Go on to school, you're going to June. You're going to learn to read and write. You must can write a love letter one night. Go on, learn to count and spell. Don't make them ride up on your back and lock her down, Jezebel. Them bite like scorpion, them bat no hell. Teeth and tongue, man, it must have to tell. A whole but dirty nigga, I go down in a hell. Hey, you little man, I beg you go on to school, tell them. Come when your mama and daddy say you go to school, and go on a fool. Rabbit. But when the devil is on a school, on a own, I'm in a balance, getting fool. Everybody come right up on your back like donkey horse on you. They get an exercise book and pencil and a 12-inch rule.
Go take your seat up on a bench, maybe a chair or a 4-foot stool. Now you me and me say there's something go on to school. Hey, go on to school. You little man, go on to school. Why not tell us that? I beg you go on to school. I beg you go on to learn to read and write. I man go to school day and night. Come and say, learn to count and spell. No make them ride on your back like a dumb President. So when you go to school, man, your tongue will tell. You little man, go to school. When your mommy plus your daddy say to go school, it's gonna go to fool. When the days at school are over, you turn a plastic pool. Everybody come right up on your back like donkey, horse, or mule. I'm begging at the dreads if they go to school. Some is if they go to school. Now some people love silver and some people love gold. Some people love diamonds, but it's diamond selection. Why to diamond selection I play? From a somewhat little way. Get up and fight for your right, my sisters. Get up and fight for your right, my brother. The youth on Robert Brown, you're wanted by your father behind the kitchen. I say, get up and fight for your right, my sisters. In these times. Well, this one I dedicate to a special sister. She know herself, you know, in a rubber dub style, murderous style, you don't style and house. With a bang down, with a bang, hey, long but da. All we need is some equal right. Hey, in these look how long they've got to brought us down here. Open our eyes. Have us in bondage. We need some right through this years. In these busting and fighting among ourselves. Realize nothing to achieve. Well, it was so that I say, get up and fight for your right, my brother. Get up and fight for your right, my sister. You better get up and fight. Get up and fight. Whether with a cutlass and gun or a knife, so long you don't kill a picnic or your wife. Get up and fight. Hey, tell them, look how long they brought us down here. I must in bondage right through these years. Hustling and fighting among ourselves. Nothing to achieve. Well, it works certain as I say. Get up and fight for your right, my brother. Get up and fight for your right, my sister. Hear me star, say get up and fight, get up and fight. But whether hypocrite you are when you are parasite, whether with your cutlass and gun or a knife, so long you don't kill a pig, me miss it, neither your wife. Get up and fight, do it, fight for your right. Ribbit, tell them, until about it. Just now, earlier, mother, oh, wait. Say long, she get up and fight. In this time of change, we've got to realize, for we need some equal rights. Hey, my brother,
I don't need to fuss no fight, cause Diamond Selection play right through the night. Cause everything's gonna be alright, so remember until you. Believe me, baby. Why? She hurt me, sister. She hurt me, sister. Oh Lord. Hey. I'm hurting inside. Do it. I'm hurting inside. But if you don't come, let love come roll on. When I was just a little child, separation come once a while. Now I grow up, you can see, to be a man. And my name spread all over the land. Say, I'm an earthquake tonight. Baby, I'm like an earthquake inside. Until then, I'm an earthquake inside. I'm an earthquake inside. Baby, when I was just a little youth, people said I was a bad road. Now I turn a man, I understand. You got to go down your knees and pray to the Almighty God. Say, I'm an earthquake inside. Baby, I'm an earthquake inside.
Walk one
If you don't let love come round and truly, you gotta hurt my mind. If you don't let love come round and truly, it hurts inside. Because when the hurt was just in vain, but if you don't let love come until you happiness inside. If you don't let love come round and baby, there is no happiness inside. Hey, I'm an earthquake tonight. Tell her I'm an earthquake inside. Earthquake, remind the Diamond Selection. Play by the song called Jack Brigadier Powa. Shower every hour at the Angie Tower. Until you, hey, I'm an earthquake inside. I'm an earthquake inside. Until then, just now, long time now. Yes, birds. Oh. Now will you see go sad? How you lost the love ahead? Or still to the man called Diamond Selection. You will think called That Is On My Mind. I Chiniwale. Every minute, every hour, and shower. With the spotlight still shining the control tower. Tell about it. Yeah. Maybe when I tell you this, I mean when I said, you always on my mind. My mind. Every minute of the day. I really truly wanna love you. I really wanna love you from my heart and soul. Baby, you on my brain. Just like when I'm flying in an aeroplane. I'll take you to ride. I'm the space down train. Rain didn't fall, the breeze didn't blow, but I'm going to space town to hold it tight, you know. Because you's always on my mind. Like you wanna drive me wild. I tell you,
shower. You know. What do you see, concern? Oh, you run like you man, you're dead. You come in this baby school dead. Can't give me the glad until you do it. You want my mind, baby, on my mind. Cause every day, she's always on my mind. Sometimes I just feel like I'm gonna get wild. But you have put my trust in God and you take me this child on my mind. Don't do that. You should never do that. You're on my mind. Nobody you're dumb, you're deaf, or you're blind, or you sometime being a runaway children, or sometime wild. He come at 19 plus 1, make it 81 style. Do a thing called the coffee bun. The coffee bun on the Jaja Moon Star and Sun. Hey, tell them, la la la. You know style. When we do that style, we know so Chalice have a bun. Even my station, Chalice soon start bun. Alright? What them say, them going to legalize it. Rasta curly. So if you guys smoke off one load already, Rasta, they go burn the next load. Pass me Mikey Merker, make him give fat jam, make him get a draw on a Rasta. Oh Lord. Come me say, pass the chalice on the right hand side, hey. Pass the chalice on the left. Come me say, no guy can curse. Thank you, John. Papa Brick is not the worst. Me now go watch your figure stick no purse. Frightened for me head top burst. And the blood will run. Whoa, the blood will run. On the Jaja Moon Star plus the sun. One of these, the only challenge for me is my bubble and challenge for the challenge. And then give me my challenge, give me my challenge, give me my bubble and challenge for the challenge. If I only get my challenge, and me say, let it go start. Oh. Whole body entertainer dance, see? So over so nice of touring for them, see?
God, you're Rastafari.
What even on star? Hey, bang bang bang, bang bang bow, bang bang bang, bang bang, hey. Bounce the chalice on the right hand side, bounce the chalice on the left. Come me simple, no jalala, no, God, I can't curse. Thank you, John. Papa Brick is not the worst. Now go up, up your figure stick, no purse. Fighting for me head top first. And the blood will run. Whoa, the blood will run. Long, Mikey. We sit down on the tree with me chalice in the hand. Me brethren say Brigadier, your mother a come. Me sit down with the chalice, me no get up and run. One thing my mother understand, Papa Brigadier is a ganja man. The body caliber, whoa, the caliber on the Jaja Moon Star plus the sun. Do it.
She sensi this a sensi business, hey. Sensi this a sensi business. She herba this a herba man farming. Timo, she herba this a herba man farming. Me a go do a little planting, right? Me now go plant Saturday evening. Why? Because the time for celebrating. Me now go come meet no time, me now go rob nobody. Me plant the cali weed also sensi. Me get a piece of land we don't a send and me get a piece of land we don't a send and me I go do a little plantation. Me I go plant it in a condensed pan. Me I go take it to the woodland. Here German me I go hide it from the Babylonian. And then me ship it to a foreign land. In the herbalist a herba man farming. She herbalist a herba man farming. So what me right? The cultivator them a waiting. So some a sell it for money, some a swap it for gun. The plane make a circle and then it come down. But when the plane land, here comes a minivan. And when the plane land, here comes a minivan. Them a load it on one by one. Me say the ganja worth $500,000. Me cite a discussion for me television. They want to find out if herb are full to man. Then take it to the lab, go through a whole heap of test. The doctor come out, say the doctor confess. Cause the herb is harmless. Right? Say you not hear. Say you not hear about the new style yet. Police a smoke ganja and cigarette. Police a smoke ganja and cigarette. But man them not to smoke it when them they on the job. And looking out for killers and who want to rob. So me say with the police or with the officer.
Wagwan ENT.